Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on how to add links to your YouTube channel. Whether you're looking to promote your website, social media profiles, or any other important links, we've got you covered. Adding links to your YouTube channel is a fantastic way to increase your audience's engagement and direct them to your other platforms. It's simple, effective, and can significantly enhance your channel's professional appearance. First, sign in to your YouTube account and go to your channel. You can do this by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner and selecting your channel from the drop-down menu. Next, click on the Customize Channel button. This will take you to the channel customization page where you can edit your channel's layout, branding, and basic info. Navigate to the Basic Info tab. Here you'll find the Links section. Click on the Add Link button to start adding your links. You'll need to provide the title of the link and the URL. You can add up to 5 links that will appear on your channel's banner. Make sure to add links that are relevant and beneficial to your viewers. This could be your website, social media accounts, or a specific product you're promoting. Use clear and concise titles for your links to encourage clicks. After adding your links, you can preview how they'll appear on your channel by clicking the View as Visitor button. If you're happy with how it looks, don't forget to click Publish to save your changes. And that's it! You've successfully added links to your YouTube channel. These links are a great way to connect with your audience on other platforms and increase your digital presence. Thanks for watching our tutorial. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video!